Good day, sir, and to everyone. We are Group 2, and today we will be discussing network security testing, security assessment, network security testing techniques, network security testing tools, and penetration testing. My name is Philip Neri D. Malik Jr., together with my group members, Markian Romance, Paul Deneb de la Cruz, Joshua M. Liwanag, and Rizal Joy Malyari. Let's begin with network security testing. Network security testing is the process of evaluating a computer network identity vulnerabilities, weaknesses, and security risk. Its main goal is to protect the network from unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks. This process includes simulating attacks, analyzing system configuration, and testing how strong the network defenses are. Regular testing is important because it helps maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Halimbawa na lang po, parang yung system natin sa school, kunwari, chinecheck natin yan kung may mga butas na sa network na pwedeng pasukan ng mga hacker. Uh, tinatry natin kung kaya bang ma-access yung student records kahit walang permission. Kung kaya, ibig sabihin ay may vulnerability na kailangan ayusin. Okay.
Next is security assessment. A security assessment is a complete evaluation of an organization's information system to determine its overall security status. It helps identify risk, check compliance and with standards, and recommend improvements. These are several key components. First is risk assessment. It's identifying possible threats and vulnerabilities. Second is vulnerability assessment. It is a scanning system for weaknesses. Third is compliance check, ensuring standards like ISO or HIPAA are followed. Last is security audit, reviewing policies and system controls. This result of process is completely a report that includes findings, risk levels, and suggested solutions. Parang general check-up po ito ng system, tinitingnan kung safe ba lahat, like kung updated ba ang antivirus, kung may access control ba, at kung sumusunod sa rules. Parang audit sa hospital pero para sa IT system.
Now let's discuss the network security and testing techniques. There are different techniques used depending on goals. First, vulnerability scan. This uses automated tool to deflect a known issue and update software and microscopic function. Second, penetration testing. This simulation real cyber attacks to see how the system can be evaluated. Third, the security auditing. Reviewing the network policy and configuration and access to control. The fourth, ethical hacking. Authorize the hacking to find security flow before the attacker to do. And lastly, the risk assessment, evaluating how serious or likely a threat it is. The technique helps the organization better understanding and improving their security. Halimbawa, gumagamit tayo ng security scanning tools para makita kung outdated ang software, tapos sa penetration testing para sa inang-act ng hacker tayo. Tinatry natin pasukin ang mga system para malaman kung saan siya mahina at kung saan tayo pwede makapasok kapag hacker tayo.
Next are the network security testing tools. Security professionals use different tools to perform testing. Number 1, Nmap. Used for network discovery and identifying open ports. Number 2, Wiresharks. Analyze network traffic and detect suspicious activity. Number 3, Metasploit. used for penetration testing and exploiting vulnerabilities. Number 4. Nessus, a vulnerability scanner that finds system weaknesses. Number 5. Burpsuit, focuses on web application security testing. These tools make it easier to identify and analyze security issue efficiently. Halimbawa po, yung Wireshark, parang CCTV ng network. Nakikita niya lahat ng mga dumadaan na data. Tapos yung Nmap naman, parang scanner na chine-check kung anong device ang connected at kung anong ports ang open.
Lastly, we have a penetration testing. Penetration testing is simulated cyber attacks to identify exploitable vulnerabilities in a system. There are the three types. The first one is black box testing, no prior knowledge of the system. The second one is white box testing, full access and knowledge. The third one is gray box testing, partial knowledge. It also follows several phases. The first one is planning recognition. The second one is scanning. Third one is gaining access. Fourth one is maintaining access. And the last one is analysis reporting. Halimbawa po sa black box testing, para kang engineer na walang alam sa system. Tinry mo pasukin. Sa white box naman, para kang IT na may full access. Kaya mas detailed than testing. This process helps organization understand how attackers think and improvements their defenses. To conclude, network security testing and assessment are very important in protecting modern systems. By using proper techniques and tools, organization can detect vulnerabilities early, strengthen their defenses against cyber threats. Thank you for listening.